Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace an Audi A4 center brake light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a T20 Torx screwdriver and the new brake light assembly. Ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Next, open your trunk to gain access to the interior trim panel that covers the brake light. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's access the light. Gently pull down the upper trim panel inside your trunk. It's usually held by clips, so a firm but careful tug should release it. Once the panel is out of the way, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the brake light. Disconnect this by pressing the tab and pulling. Finally, identify the two T20 Torx screws that secure the light assembly. With the screws located, it's time for removal. Use your T20 Torx screwdriver to unscrew both screws completely. Once they are out, gently pull the old brake light assembly straight out from its housing. It might be a snug fit, so a little wiggling can help. Now, take your new brake light assembly and carefully insert it into the opening, ensuring it seats correctly and flush with the surface. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to your new brake light assembly, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, use your T20 Torx screws to fasten the new light firmly. Once secured, carefully reinstall the upper trunk trim panel, making sure all clips engage properly. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal while you check that your new center brake light illuminates correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.